Hey guys, Ranger Georgie here with U.S. Fish and Wildlife from Laguna, Atascosa National Wildlife Refuge in partnership with the city of Brownsville. Today what we're going to be showing you is some basic maneuvers of kayaking as well as a self-rescue. Let's get going. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to learn how to do is get into your kayak. So whether you're launching from the beach, a bank, or an actual launch point that has a nice ramp going into the water, you're going to want to learn how to get in. We're going to show you the way we're going to get in as if we're from the bank. So if you see here, we have the floor, we have the kayak already in a pool. We have lifeguards on duty just to be safe, so that way we're showing you all the proper way to do things. We actually have our life vest on as well, and we're going to keep this on the entire time. So the way you get into these kayaks is always going to be butt first. That way you have more stability and you're able to control the movement of the kayak, and you're not going to tip in right away. So if this was the bank, you would sit down, grab the kayak near you with your right hand, go ahead and put it on the right side of it, as well as your left hand on the left side. And then just scoot your butt in. You're ready to go. Now if you notice where my feet are, they have different slots. You always want them at a little bit of a bend, not straight, not too high up. So you're gonna give it a slight bend, and that's gonna really give you a lot of stability. So let's get the basic maneuvers down.
You could be the strongest person in the world in kayaking, and it really doesn't matter. What it boils down to is proper technique. This is done by making sure that you're pushing with one hand and pulling with the other. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're in the water is get the paddle and raise it above your head. Your elbow should be at a 90-degree angle. When you put the paddle into the water, be sure that it is facing the correct way. The paddle should be facing you, providing the best resistance when slicing through the water. The first stroke we're going to go over is the basic forward stroke. This stroke is very simple. You start from the front and go past the paddle. Move your torso, you're not using your shoulders or your arms. The next maneuver we'll be going over is the inside edge turn. This one will be demonstrated by turning left. The way you're going to want to execute this turn is by placing the left blade into the water. While cutting in a fanning motion, your kayak will be turning towards the left with your right side of the kayak facing towards the bank. This is a right inside edge turn. The way this will be executed is by placing your right side blade into the water, cutting through the water in a fanning motion with your left side facing the bank. The next maneuver we'll be going over is the reverse stroke. This stroke is executed by turning your paddle 180 degrees, facing the opposite direction, as you will be putting one blade into the water at the rear, pushing yourself towards the front, and you'll continue doing the same to the opposite direction until you get a nice group going. The next maneuver we'll be going over is the forward sweep stroke. This maneuver will be executed by placing one blade into the water at the front of the kayak, moving it towards the rear, and turning while never losing momentum. Next, we'll be doing a 360 by combining two strokes, the forward sweep stroke and the reverse sweep stroke. This will be executed by placing the left side of your blade into the water at the front of the kayak, pushing it towards the rear, and doing on your right side, the rear to the front. The next maneuver we'll be going over is a draw stroke. This is executed by placing your blade into the water and pushing it towards you. Be sure to turn your blade and exit the water as to create less resistance and only move in one direction. Now we're going to be exiting our kayak. This should be done with most points of contact at all times. Be sure to exit with your butt first as to not get thrown off balance. Next, we'll be showing you how to execute a self-rescue. This self-rescue will be a side self-rescue. We have lifeguards on duty just to be sure we're on the safe side. The first thing you're going to want to do is flip over your kayak. This can be done from either the bottom or the top. Once it's flipped over, you're going to grab the opposite edge of the kayak. In thrusting motion, you're going to jolt your legs up to be able to get your belly into the kayak. Once it is, go ahead and flip over and you're ready to go. The next self-rescue will be a front self-rescue, meaning you will be getting yourself up onto the kayak from the front. Once you're in the water, flip the kayak back over. This can be done from either the top or the bottom. Once it's flipped over, put the front of the kayak facing you. In a thrusting motion, you'll be kicking your feet in order to get enough momentum to push the kayak down into the water and underneath your legs. Keep on working your way up, scoot for as long as you have to. All you have to do is get up on there. Once you are, turn around and you're good to go.